One human hair at a time using this apparatus is fed onto these microstrands, providing this finished product made for salon owners and hair professionals to make your client's hair fuller while using 100% of their own hair. But more importantly, while keeping your client's own hair safe and healthy. Now, salons and hair professionals are falling behind that don't upgrade to offering this technology. All you have to do is press the Learn More button below and find out the details. Fall behind or elevate your profession by offering the top technology that keeps your client's own hair safe and healthy and that works on any client.